Hi people, this is Ashish and you're watching 0 Hours. So in today's video we are going to review the MSI Model 15. So starting with the build quality, we have metal finish from in the top and plastic in the back. The vents are pretty good here. We can easily see the two fans from the bottom and the heat pipes along with it. There are the two speakers in the right and left corner, which are bottom firing speakers, and the vents for the outlet is here. One in this side and one in this side. We can open this laptop in just by one finger, just like the MacBooks. This side is also made up of metal. There is zero flex in the keyboard, as you can see. There is nothing. About the screen is also matte finish, and there is zero wobble in the screen. There is no bending, anything occurring in the screen. With the Ryzen 5 5000 series 5500U basically to talk about, and this comes up with the AMD Radeon graphics, and the front camera is over here along with the one mic, two mic and one LED just on the side of it. Talking about the best feature in it, you can tilt the screen to 180 degree. Some people says that after turning it to 150 degree it drops up the screen is by itself. So yeah, that is concerning. Privacy by yourself. You can easily switch off your camera by pressing this key, and also by muting your mic. This is a backlit keyboard. There are three different light intensity available, but only in white color. For the ports, the laptop comes with one audio jack combo. These are the two lights for power and the load. This is USB 3.1 jack along with Type C. This is an HDMI and the power jack. So on the other side it comes with an micro SD card slot. There is no RJ45 jack or LAN jack, so this is pretty useful for your media consumption. And there are two USB ports over here. Also, no one talked about here is there is a reset pin here. You can see we are sitting in the sunlight and the panel is pretty bright. We are using the laptop in our outside condition. So this is the camera. Hi people.
Hello.
Hello. So this is basic. As you can see the quality. Okay. I don't know the watt hour of the battery, but the charger is of 65 watt. As you can see, the charger of 65 watt, and this is QD. So talking about the battery backup, it gives me around 5 hours on 60%. So this is the graphics frequency and the memory allocated. This is a 512 MB and AMD Radeon graphics. The audio is crisp but not loud. This is the MSI Center Pro for controlling the basics of this laptop. So here you can see there are few user scenarios for high performance, balance and silent, and super battery. In super battery the fans are off, but in other cases the fans remain on. But in high performance the fans is pretty high, and you can also feel it by the loudness of the fans. These are the battery optimization. As I said, I stopped the battery at 60%. There is nothing over there. So this is my SSD help center, whatever you can say. So let's test the shutdown time. It's off. So we are gonna check the boot time. So it's done around 4 to 5 seconds. Hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, then share our channel. Sorry. If you liked it, then share the video with the friends who got this MSI Model 15. To see more of videos about this laptop, then comment on the comment section. and peace out team.
मैं प्रेम दा प्याला पिया